Hi, this is Alan from Businesses to Start on a Shoestring, and I'm going to talk to you today about a website wellness check, how Google Search Console can help to optimize your website. So your website is the cornerstone of your online presence, but how do you know it's functioning and at its peak? Enter Google Search Console, which we abbreviate as GSC, a free treasure trove of insights designed to help you monitor, analyze, and improve your website's performance in Google Search. Unlocking the power of GSC. GSC is an essential tool for any webmaster or digital marketer. It provides a comprehensive overview of your website's health from a search engine's perspective. By leveraging Google Search Console data, you can identify areas for improvement, optimize your content for better ranking, and ultimately attract more qualified traffic to your website. Demystifying the data, a guided tour of Google Search Console reports. The Google Search Console interface offers a wealth of reports, each providing valuable insights. Firstly, search traffic. Analyze how users discover your website through Google Search, including search inquiries, clicks, and impressions. Performance. Delve into the key metrics like clicks, impressions, and average position for specific keywords and web pages. Coverage. Identify any indexing issues that prevent your web pages from appearing in search results. Mobile usability. Evaluate your website's mobile friendliness and identify potential issues that hinder user experience on mobile devices. Core Web Vitals. Monitor how your website measures up to Google's Core Web Vitals standards, which assess loading, speed, responsiveness, and visual stability. By analyzing these reports, you can pinpoint technical SEO issues like broken links, slow loading times, or mobile friendliness problems that might be hindering your website's ranking. Beyond metrics, optimizing user experience. Google Search Console isn't just about technical SEO. You can use it to improve your content for your target audience, analyze search queries that lead users to your site, and identify areas where your content might not be fully addressing user needs. This allows you to refine your content strategy and ensure it resonates with your audience. Proactive website management, staying ahead of the curve. Google Search Console empowers you to proactively manage your website health. Use the platform to monitor for security issues and address any manual actions issued by Google. Additionally, Google Search Console keeps you informed about algorithm updates so you can adapt your SEO strategy accordingly. Keeping your finger on the pulse. Alerts and ongoing monitoring. Google Search Console allows you to set up alerts for critical issues like sudden drops in traffic or indexing errors. This proactive approach ensures you can address problems swiftly, minimizing any potential impact on your website's performance. Conclusion: your website's ally. By embracing Google Search Console, you gain a powerful ally in your website's optimization journey. With Google Search Console's insightful data and user-friendly interface, you can monitor your website's health, identify areas for improvement, and ensure your website thrives in the competitive world of Google Search. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Google Search Console today and unlock the full potential of your online presence. Now, if you'd like the best platform for hosting your online business, then you will realize from other of our videos that we recommend Wealthy Affiliate. And you can try this out for free indefinitely and get 5 free lessons explaining how Wealthy Affiliate works. It's a hosting platform that allows you to host and build websites, purchase domains, and also publish content. You get technical support, you get training, and you get a fantastic community all within the one platform. So there's a free level which you can keep indefinitely. You can build a free website on the site rubiks.com suffix, build and monitor that indefinitely. You can upgrade to Premium, or you can upgrade to Premium Plus like I have done. And I've been Premium Plus for some years now, and host about 13 websites on Wealthy Affiliate. So check out our other videos for why we recommend Wealthy Affiliate. But if you'd like to sign up for Wealthy Affiliate using our affiliate link for free, there's no credit card required, then just click here. We put this link in the description below this video. Cheers for now.